Listen to the radio on your way into work this morning. You might hear a new public service announcement encouraging you to get your kids the HPV vaccine.
That is the series of vaccines that protects against 6 different cancers caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. And right now, Texas ranks number 47 in the country when it comes to kids actually getting that vaccine. Kate is live for us in Austin with details. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, this new push to educate parents and encourage healthcare providers to offer the HPV vaccine is being done by the American Cancer Society. They're calling this new campaign Mission HPV Cancer Free. Now, they want parents of kids ages 11 to 12 to get the vaccine during their yearly wellness checks. Right now, only about a third of kids have had the vaccine, and the society's goal is to have 80% of kids vaccinated by 2026, and that is the 20th anniversary of the vaccine. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, HPV is very common, and nearly 80 million people have it. Some never know they have it. Many do not develop symptoms, but others can develop cancer in the throat and cervix, as well as 4 other types. One of the reasons some are against the vaccine is because HPV is spread through skin-to-skin contact, and some parents worry it could lead to their children having sex at a younger age. Now, the American Cancer Society disputes that claim.
The reality is that we're doing a pretty poor job in Texas of preventing the virus to then even prevent the cancer. A lot of folks want to talk about finding a cure for cancer. Here we have a shot that can prevent 6 different types, and yet we're not really doing a good job of using it.
And you might remember back in 2007, Governor Rick Perry at the time issued an executive order that all girls between the ages of 11 and 12 would be required to get the HPV vaccine. But there was a huge public uproar, and lawmakers ended up passing legislation actually shutting down that executive order. Right now, there are only 2 states in the United States that require children to get the HPV vaccine. Back to you.
Okay, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention does have a question and answer page with some of the questions that you may be asking yourself this morning, so we wanted to go over that with you. A lot of parents ask, does the vaccine work? The CDC says yes. HPV vaccines, they say, have been around for more than 10 years, and since then, infections with HPV that cause most HPV cancers have dropped 71% among teen girls. It goes on to say clinical trials showed it provided close to 100% protection against cervical cancers. Another question, is it safe? CDC says yes, and it monitors any side effects that come along with it. Most are usually mild, according to the CDC. Now, I looked into the vaccine rates in Texas and here in Travis County and talked to a woman who beat cervical cancer several times. Hear what she has to say in my in-depth report right now on KXAN.com.